This video is brought to you by Rocklet. Create with confidence.
No. Pretty Caroline, oh, 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 stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the diner. Oh, 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 serves as a reminder to count your blessings, cause it's telling fast, telling fast. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth. How they come back for you. Yeah, yeah, no. Don't you think
should have known better. Problem solved. Wrong boy right here. Okay, so here it is. Handles made out of recycled skateboards using wood turning kits from Rockler. Rockler carries a variety of different wood turning kits as well as lathe tools and accessories. The great thing about these wood turning kits is that it's interchangeable. You can mix and match however you like. Majority of the tools I used in this project is from Rockler. The Excelsior lathe and all the lathe accessories, as well as the carbide turning tools and even the portable drill guide. If it's related to woodworking, chances are Rockler will have the right product for you. Now, wood turning is something that I recommend to any beginners who want to get into woodworking. It doesn't take up that much space, you can buy small pieces of blanks without breaking the bank, and you can cut, sand, and finish all on the lathe. There's a chance that you could get a blowout, but with the right protective gear, you should be safe. And make sure to check out Rockler's YouTube channel. They have detailed and well-presented tutorials on woodworking, and they have an extensive library of videos on wood turning. I'll leave a couple of videos down in the description below. And that's it for this video. Huge thanks to Rockler for sponsoring this video, and make sure to check out their website for all your woodworking needs. And if you'd like to support this channel, check out my Patreon page, which is going to be right up here. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe and comment down below what you guys think about these wood turning kits. Till next time.